Hi friends, today I'm so excited to show you my new dresser for my bedroom. It's this one. As you can see, I put some decoration just here, a plant, a book, a candle. I love it because make look my bedroom so harmonious and beautiful. This design of rattan is so beautiful. I put here some of my things that I just need to take quickly in the mornings. And I have my dresser just with my TV, so that's easy to me to organize my bedroom. And these drawers, I'm gonna use it to put my blankets to organize it, and I can use it so many times because they are just there. So I love this dresser because my room looks beautiful, looks perfect with the walls and all the furnitures. Have these 6 dressers. I arm and install my dress by myself and was so easy without problems. You can put it in the wall, and the drawers are so big, so you can put so many things inside, and it's with the perfect size for your bedroom. Let me show you some details because I highly recommended this dresser for your room.